If you're an avid off-roader but have never run the Rubicon before, this is an endurance rock crawl.
We just got off the helicopter here on the Rubicon Trail. It was a pretty crazy experience, first time.
I don't know about you, but I'm nervous. I've never done an off-roading thing this intense.
Well, I've never ran the Rubicon Trail before. It's been a bucket list dream trip of mine to come out here.
This might be one of the toughest off-roading journeys we've ever done.
And this is my ride for today, Jeep's newest concept.
You guys weren't joking last night about Haagen-Dazs.
It's exceeding the expectations on a bone stock Rubicon. I think a lot of people you'll see out here, these rigs are on 42s, they're on 1-ton axles. This is a bone stock Jeep right from the dealership lot. You can technically take it right from there to the Rubicon Trail and earn the nameplate that's on the side of the hood.
We made it!
Made it! In the coolest thing ever.